The smart school, ये मेरा स्कूल है. The smart school, हम सबका स्कूल है.
Assalamu alaikum students. This is video lesson number 1 for class 4 English. Today our lesson is from unit 1 from Pippi Lockstockings, and we will be discussing nouns. We will be working on textbook page number 7, exercise C, question number 5. It will take us 35 minutes probably to finish this work today. Get your textbook, workbooks, notebooks, pencils and sharpeners and erasers ready so we can get started. Now let's recap. What do we know already about these pictures? Now here we have a ball, a cap, a boy and the city. Well, can anybody tell me what are all these? Yes, these are all nouns. Just like a ball is the name of an object you play with, cap is the name of the object you put on your head, boy is what we call a male person, and city is the name of a place. Well done. And these are all what we call nouns. Now let's see what we are going to do today. Today, by the end of the lesson, we will be able to recognize what are nouns. You might have guessed that already from the recap. We will be talking about what are common and what are proper nouns. We will also be underlining nouns in the given sentences. So now let's see. Noun is a name of a person. Remember the example of the boy. Place, example of the city. Animal, or a thing or an object like a ball. Now noun, again I will repeat, noun is a name of a person, place, thing, object or an animal. Now let's watch this video and find out what exactly are nouns.
Nouns, naming words. Everything in the world has a name. All names or naming words are nouns. A noun names a person, place, animal or thing. Look at the following sentence. Nikki and her dog are playing with football in the garden. Here, Nikki is the name of a person. Garden is the name of a place. Dog is the name of an animal. And football is the name of a thing. A name can be common or special. The special name of a noun is called a proper noun. Nikki is a special name for the girl. So, Nikki is a proper noun, whereas dog, football and garden are common nouns. The special names, that is, the proper nouns, always begin with a capital letter. Nouns, common and proper. We now know that all nouns have a common name and also that some nouns have a special name. Look at the following pictures. Identify them. This is a boy. This is a dog. This is a fort. This is a car. All these names are general names of a person, an animal, a place, and a thing. These are common nouns. Now, let us give special names to these common nouns. So we can say, this is Ricky. This is Pluto. This is the Red Fort. This is a Honda City. Special names given to people, animals, places, and things are called proper nouns. All proper nouns begin with capital letters. Remember, names of cities, days, months, festivals, holidays, books, people, etc. are proper nouns.
Nouns, common and proper.
The general name of a person, place, animal, or a thing is a common noun. For example, he is a clown. In this sentence, we are talking about a clown. Clown is a general name for the person. They live in a city. In this sentence, we are talking about a city. City is a general name for the place. It is his dog. In this sentence, we are talking about a dog. Dog is a general name for the animal. This is a pastry. In this sentence, we are talking about a pastry. Pastry is a general name for the thing. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of a title. Special names given to people, places, pets, days, months, organizations, etc. are proper nouns. For example, John, the clown, entertains people in a circus. In this sentence, we are talking about John, the clown. John is a special name for the clown. They live in Mumbai. In this sentence, we are talking about Mumbai, a city. Mumbai is the special name for the city. His dog's name is Pluto. In this sentence, we are talking about Pluto the dog. Pluto is the special name for the dog. All proper nouns begin with capital letters. The special name given to a country, city, road, river, mountain, monument, festival, etc. is a proper noun. All the words in a proper noun begin with a capital letter. For example, my uncle lives in New Zealand.
Now that we have watched the video, let's check whether we are able to find out the nouns from the following words. Now this part is like a game. Now check, whenever I click on the noun, there is going to be a sound of clapping. And every time I select the wrong word, then there is going to be a sound of explosion. So let's check whether we have understood the nouns or not. Girl. Do you think girl is a noun? Let's check. Yes, girl is a noun. It's a name of a person. Bag. Yes, bag is a noun because it's a name of an object. Now let's check market. Yes, market is a noun because it is a name of a place. Now let's check this word sad. Should we try? Do you think sad is a noun? I don't think sad is a noun. But let's check. No, sad is not a noun. It's a quality. So it's an adjective. Now let's check fry. Do you think fry is a noun? I don't think fry is a noun. Because you see, fry is like frying a roll or a samosa. It's something that we do. I don't think it's a name of anything. What do you say? Let's check. Yes, fry is not a noun. Now let's check some other words. Airport. Do you think airport is a noun? Yes, airport is a noun because it's a name of a place. Goat. Yes. Goat is also a noun. It's a name of an animal. Cat. Yes, cat is also a noun because it's a name of an animal. Glass. Do you think glass is a noun? Yes, because it's a name of a certain object. Well done, everyone. Well done. Now, let's see. After we have picked out the nouns from the given words, let's see if we are able to do page number 7 of our Oxford English book. Take out exercise C and question number 5. You have to underline the nouns in the given sentences. You can take 5 minutes to read the sentences and then you can underline the nouns. Now at this point, I would ask you to pause the video because you don't want to jump to the answer slide right now, because you see that would be like cheating and we need to finish the work before we check the answers. Best of luck! Now let's see. As we have done the work, let's check our answers. I hope you didn't peek at the answers while you were working. Okay, I trust you. Now, let's check our answers. Once upon a time, there was an old man called Ramiz. Yes, time, man, and Ramiz. All these are nouns. One day, he took his dog and went to the forest. Day, dog, and forest. All these are nouns. Well done. Suddenly, out of the bushes came a fierce tiger. Very good. Bushes and tiger. These are both nouns. Well done. Ramiz was afraid, but his dog feared no man or creature. In this sentence, Ramiz, dog, man, creature. These are all nouns. Good job. It took one step towards the tiger and barked. Step and tiger. These are both nouns. Very good. Ramiz stood with his back against a tree. Ramiz and tree. These are both nouns. Very good. Soon the tiger ran into the forest. Very good. Tiger and forest, these are both nouns. Ramiz went home and told his wife about their brave pet. Ramiz, home, wife and pet. These are all nouns. Well done. Well done, she said in a loud voice, and the dog wagged its tail. Voice, dog and tail. These are all names of certain things. That is why they are all nouns. Now see, time is a name of object that we pass. Man is a common noun because we call any male person a man. And Ramiz is a proper noun. Why? Because Ramiz is a specific name of a certain person. Just like that, pause the video here and talk to your teacher about all the other common and proper nouns in the rest of the sentence. Well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this activity with your teacher. So good job. We have finished our lesson today. Let's sum up all that we have learned today. Now tell me, what are nouns? Yes, good job, guys. Noun is a name of a person, place, thing, or an object, or an animal. What are common nouns? Common nouns are some names of general things or object or an animal. For example, a tiger, a lion, or a cat. Or a table or a chair. Or a boy or a girl. Now, what are proper nouns? Proper noun is a name of a specific object. For example, name of a city like Lahore is a proper noun. Well done, guys. I hope you enjoyed your lesson today. Have a great day.